Hello everyone, welcome back to this sewing channel. Today's sewing tutorial we are going to make this shining pencil case. This project is very easy to make. It's good for the beginners who are actually have some difficulties to practice our bias tape. It's very handy and easy to clean, and I will show you how to put this sequins inside of it. To make our shining pencil case, we are going to need 3 pieces of vinyl measuring 8 inches per 4.5 inches. I'm using vinyl 0.4 millimeters, and I don't advise you to use thinner than this. Bias tape, a zipper measuring at least 9 inches, and of course assorted sequins. Let's do it! First we are going to get 2 pieces of vinyl, put them together, and we are going to sew it here, here and here, leaving this part an open gap. So now we are going to open it, and we are going to put some sequins inside, like this. Now we are going to close it, and at the same time we are going to apply our bias tape with some pins to help. It's easy, isn't it? So don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It's right there somewhere. Now we are going to do the same thing in the other parts. Let's apply our bias. Now let's trim off. And now we are going to apply our zipper. So front of the zipper with the front facing up, and we are going to top stitch here and here. One side is done. Now the other side. Before you apply it, make sure the edges are well done and aligned. Now we are going to match all the edges, and we are going to sew all the way around. Make sure you leave the head zipper on the middle, otherwise you are going to have problems. Now we can trim off. So now we are going to make our corners rounds. I'm use this ruler. I will leave how to make this ruler on the cards on the end of the video. So I'm going to use 3 centimeters curve. So here, and let's cut it. And the same thing on this side. If you want, you can make a suture here and here to make sure your sequins don't come off. Now we are going to apply our bias tape all the way around. So here we are going to do this. And this. And then sew it. I hope you like this project. Here I'm going to leave another quick and easy sewing project, and here I will leave how to make the curved ruler. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and turn the notifications on so you can be notified for the next video. See ya!